Hello all and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chandramani Pandey and thank you very much for watching my other videos. So today I will show you how we can fix bulk token retrieval failed error when creating a provisioning package using Windows Configuration Designer. So before we begin, please ensure that the account used to create the provisioning package has a Microsoft Entra role assigned and is not scoped to any administrative unit in Microsoft Entra ID. And the supported roles are Global Administrators, Cloud Device Administrator, Intune Administrator, or Password Administrator. Additionally, if you wish to automatically enroll the device in Microsoft Intune, the MDM user scope must be enabled and set correctly. The account used to request the bulk token must be included in the MDM user scope specified in the Microsoft Entra ID. If this account is removed from the group tied to the MDM user scope, the bulk enrollment package will stop working. Now let me quickly show you in the Intune portal that under the user I am going to use this account Chandramani Pandey, and if you see the assigned role, we can see that this account is having Intune administrator role assigned as well as the global administrator role assigned. And if we check the administrative unit, we can see that this user is not a part of any administrative unit. As well as if we go to the devices and under Windows, if we select the Windows enrollment, under the automatic enrollment, we can see that the MDM user scope is already configured for all. But in case if you are using some, make sure that this account which is used to create the provisioning package must be part of that some group account. Once these prerequisites are in place, we can start creating the provisioning package. Now let me quickly show you the error again. So I am going to close this Windows Configuration Designer and I am again going to launch the Windows Configuration Designer to show you the error again, and then we will see that how we can fix this issue. So let me quickly create a provision desktop device package, and then I am going to save this under the desktop. I already created a folder called bulk package _1 and then finish, and then let me quickly provide the device template name, click on next. Let me switch off the setup network option and then click on account management. And when we are using this enroll in Azure ready and clicking on get bulk token, we can see that we are getting error bulk token retrieval failed. And if we check the ICD.log which is there in the desktop, let me open the ICD.log in, and now we can see that we are getting error access token retrieval failed with status user interaction required, and we can also see a message need user interaction to continue. So to fix this problem, what we have to do, we have to open the PowerShell ISE as an administrator, and then we have to install a module called AAD internals module. So we have to run a command Set-ExecutionPolicy bypass, and then we have to install a module called AAD internals, and then we have to import the module. So let me quickly run this. While these commands are running and installing the AAD internals, it is very important to know that these AAD internals module is not the Microsoft supported module, or these scripts are not created by the Microsoft. So these are the third-party scripts, and I will include the owner link in the description section. Now we can see that the AAD internals module installed successfully, and we can also see that the developer who created this module. So now let me close this PowerShell ISE, and then again I am going to close the Windows Configuration Designer, and then we have to again open a Windows Configuration Designer as an administrator. Now let's see if this solution is working. Otherwise we will check the another option. So I am again going to click on provision device desktop, and then just provide the name of the project, and then I am going to select the project location, and this time I am going to select the folder called bulk package _2, and then click OK and then finish. And now again we have to provide the device template name, and then let me click on next, and then switch off the network option, and then click on the account management, and now click on the enroll in Azure AD. And now if we click on the get bulk token, we can see that we are still getting a bulk token retrieval error. Now if this is working for you, you can create your provisioning package and use it, but if it is not working, we can try the other way. Let me show you what is the other way. Let me first close the Windows Configuration Designer, and now what we have to do, we have to download the Windows ADK, and then select the very first option, download and install the Windows ADK. Start downloading the Windows ADK, and then click on download Windows ADK. Now it's done. We have to go to the folder and now start installing the Windows ADK, and then click on next, and then click on next, and now accept the license agreement and uncheck all the options. So we are only interested in image and configuration designer. Just click on this, and then it's automatically selecting the other two options. So, and then click on install, and now the Windows assessment and download kit installed successfully. Then close it and close this. Now we have to open the ICD. So to do this, we have to go to the location where it is downloaded, and then we have to search for ICD. We can see that we have an ICD application. Select this, right click, and then run as administrator, and then click yes. And now we have to create a provision desktop package. So to do this, I'm clicking on provision desktop device, and then give it a name, and then select the folder where you want to save the provisioning package. So let me save this under desktop, and then I'll create a new folder called demo, and click OK, and then finish. And now we have to provide the device template name. So let me copy this and paste it, and then click on next, uncheck the setup network option, and then click on account management, and now click on enroll in Azure AD, and now click on get bulk token. And now this time we can see that it's giving an option to enter the credentials. So let me enter the credential, and then password, and then sign in, and then we have to accept the permission requested for Windows Configuration Designer. Let me accept it. Now let me uncheck this, allow my organization to manage my device, and then click on no sign in to this app only. And now we can see that the bulk token passed successfully. We can click next, next, and next, and now this is finished. Just create the provisioning package, and now the provisioning package is ready under the desktop folder. If we go to this folder under the new folder, and we can see that the provisioning package is now ready. So that's all for this video. If you encounter any error during the bulk token creation process, feel free to share them in the comment section, and I will do my best to assess you. If this video successfully resolved your issue, please show your support by clicking on like button and sharing with your teammates and subscribing for more content. I hope this is an informative video for you. Thank you very much for watching this video.